In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add email signature in your GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a professional email signature added to the right user profile, so it appears automatically on outgoing messages. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the correct location, not the agency view, so the settings you update apply to the right workspace. Once your dashboard loads, look to the lower left corner and click Settings. This is where all the account level and user level preferences live, and it's the fastest way to manage details that carry through your communications. Inside Settings, select My Staff. This area lists every team member associated with your sub-account. Your email signature is configured per user, which is helpful if different team members need unique contact details or branding. Find the user you want to update and open their profile. You'll see a small pencil icon next to their name or details. Click that to edit. This opens the profile editor where you can manage personal information and enable the signature feature. In the profile editor, locate the signature toggle. Turn it on. Enabling this ensures that emails sent from this user can include a consistent, branded footer. Right below the toggle, you'll see the signature field. Type or paste the content you want to use. Keep it clean and readable. Include the sender's name, role, company, and primary contact details. If you add links, make sure they're correct and easy to tap on mobile. Keep images small and simple if you use them, and avoid overly large logos so your messages load quickly and look great in different inboxes. A short legal disclaimer is fine if your organization requires it, but try not to overload the signature with too much text. When you're happy with how it looks, click Next to proceed. This gives you a moment to confirm your changes before applying them. Finally, click Save. That locks in the signature for the selected user. From now on, emails sent by that user in GoHighLevel will include the signature automatically, helping maintain brand consistency and saving time on every message. If you ever need to tweak wording or update contact info, just return to My Staff, open the same user, and edit the signature field again. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your polished professional email communications in GoHighLevel.